This video, I'm going to set this up to check for exhaust leaks. I know I've got some exhaust leaks, but I don't know exactly where they're at. Sometimes they're very hard to find. Uh, I had to get some jumper cables because I'm using this in the back of the vehicle and the cable wasn't long enough. Make sure you keep those apart so they don't spark. I'm turning on the air pressure only. Like I said, this gets up to 20 psi of pressure. It's a built-in compressor that it has. And I'm just checking out the pressure there. And once I have the pressure, now I'm going to turn on the smoke, and it takes probably about 15 to 20 seconds for it to start smoking. You can see it, the smoke coming out, and make sure the vehicle is turned off and have time to cool down. So I'm putting that in the exhaust pipe, and you can see it right there. And if you follow it up, you can see that it's got a hole in the back of the muffler. I didn't even know about this hole, but I think I'm hearing something from the front also. So I'm going to tape this hole up just to block it off so that I can check the other areas. So you can see there that I've got it taped. It's leaking a little bit from this flange right here. That wouldn't be a big deal if it was, if I had to do something there. It's easy to get to. Might be rusted though. But I'm more concerned about up here at front because I can see some smoke coming out up there. So I'm going to go up there and inspect that a little bit. I'm hoping it's not a exhaust manifold gasket. So you can see right there around that clamp, it is smoking. And, if I look out, maybe that will be it. I can tighten that clamp and be done. So I'll put some tape around that so I could check up by the engine. And I can see some smoke coming from up there. It's hard to see on this video, but there is smoke coming from up there. So it probably is that gasket. If you'd like to see the full-length video, be sure to click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.